So let's start by looking at self-awareness. Being self-aware means to understand not just what our academic strengths are, because this is what we focus on at school, but is also understanding the things that interest us, that motivate us, can be called our passions. And also to understand how we interact and work best with others. Most of us know that academic ability is measured through examinations, and we have a clear idea of how we're doing in that area. However, we may be less aware of our skills that we are able to show through those particular subjects. The skills we learn through the subjects we study is often more important than the subject themselves. For example, in later life, it's unlikely that you're going to need to know about a particular experiment, but you are going to need to have the techniques in order to make a successful conclusion and evaluation of that experiment to other things that you will encounter in your working lives. Equally, it may be a theory, or evaluating two theories and coming for a comparison with two theories. The theories themselves may be less important than the technique of learning to compare things. The academic skills we have may help us decide what type of jobs we want to do in the future, but on their own these will not be enough. Economists are predicting that those currently in education can expect to do at least 30 different jobs in a lifetime, some of those being portfolio jobs, i.e. doing more than one job at the same time. It's therefore important to look at our interests and passions, because the things that we find enjoyable could end up being part of our career in later life. For example, running your own business in an area that you enjoy doing, such as a hobby or a pastime or environmentalism, for example, could be it helps us to decide which direction and which types of organisations we might want to work for. But also, in addition to this, there is the consideration of how we work best with other people. Because if we understand that, we will know what types of organisations may best suit us. Not all organisations may be flexible to our style and the things that we enjoy doing and the ways we enjoy working with other people. For example, if we're a very creative type person, working in an environment where creativity and thinking for yourself is not valued may not be the right place for you. However, if you're someone who enjoys working to a plan or a really clear set of objectives, you may be suited to a bigger organisation, or an organisation that really values those sorts of attributes in someone. So, taken as a whole, self-awareness is a very vital skill that all of us need to learn. In doing so, we're able to decide on what range of things we might do in the future, and because we are able to decide that, it'll help us to make some clear decisions about what education route to follow and what sorts of roles and careers we might want to pursue. The key at this stage is keeping our options open.